Here are 10 life rules to learn from the book Discourses by Epictetus. 1. We are not disturbed by events, but by our judgments about them. This is one of the most fundamental principles of Stoicism. It means that we are not directly affected by external events, but by the way we think about them. If we can learn to control our thoughts, we can control our emotions and reactions. 2. We should focus on what we can control, and not worry about what we cannot control. This is another important Stoic principle. It means that we should focus on the things that are within our power, such as our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. We should not worry about the things that are outside of our power, such as the weather, other people's behavior, or the past. 3. We should accept what we cannot change. This is a difficult but important Stoic principle. It means that we should accept the things that are beyond our control, and not waste our time and energy trying to change them. Instead, we should focus on making the best of the situation. 4. We should live in the present moment. This is a key Stoic practice. It means that we should focus on the present moment, and not dwell on the past or worry about the future. The past is gone, and the future is not yet here. The only thing that is real is the present moment. 5. We should be grateful for what we have. This is a simple but powerful Stoic practice. It means that we should take the time to appreciate the good things in our lives, big and small. Gratitude can help us to focus on the positive aspects of our lives and to be more content. 6. We should be kind to ourselves and others. This is a central tenet of Stoicism. It means that we should treat ourselves and others with compassion and understanding. We should forgive ourselves for our mistakes, and we should be patient with others. 7. We should be courageous. This is another important Stoic virtue. It means that we should face our fears and challenges head-on. We should not let fear control our lives. 8. We should be mindful of our thoughts and actions. This is a key Stoic practice. It means that we should be aware of what we are thinking and doing, and make sure that they are in line with our values. 9. We should be a lifelong learner. This is a Stoic principle that is as relevant today as it was when Epictetus first wrote about it. It means that we should never stop learning and growing. The world is constantly changing, so we need to be willing to change with it. 10. We should live our lives with purpose. This is the ultimate goal of Stoicism. It means that we should live our lives in a way that is meaningful and worthwhile. We should find something that we are passionate about and dedicate our lives to it.